Hello, I'm Catherine Bugue, VP of Education and co-founder of the Napa Valley Wine Academy, speaking to you from Napa, California. I teach WSET levels 1 through 4. I also enjoy teaching the American Wine Expert. Riesling from New York, Tempranillo from Texas. You won't believe the wines being made in the US today. Also, our Napa Valley Wine Expert course, where you're learning about the differences between mountain AVAs and the valley floor and how mountain wines are so different from the valley floor. There's so much to learn. I guess I really enjoy teaching all of our classes. Favorite wine region? Well, I just returned from a student trip to Greece, which we hosted. Xinomavro, Aiotico, Asertico. You won't believe the quality of the wines being made there, the friendliness of the winemakers. From mountains to coast, there's so much to see. The best thing about teaching, hands down, it's when a student is struggling to understand something and the light bulb goes off as you're making an explanation. Best feeling ever.